Hi Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Hi Sagittarius, how are you? I repeat myself, if they do not have one of these, they do not belong to me, okay? I know there's a lot of rumors being spread here on TTC. There's a lot of rumors being spread in Scarborough and surrounding communities. I know there's pictures that may or may not have been leaked on the internet that may or may not resemble somebody else. But all I want to come here and say today is, if they do not have one of these, I never claim them. I may have crushed on them. I may have been very, very in my feelings for another gal man, but I did not claim them. If they don't, I'll repeat myself. I repeat my motherfucking self, bro. I repeat my motherfucking self, bro. Yo, what's up, homie? What's up? Yo, what's up? Whoa, waves, whoa, man. I repeat myself, ma. If he does not have one of these on, he does not belong to me. He doesn't, I'm telling you right now. If he doesn't have one, I didn't claim him, okay? I know my name is famous in the streets. I know everybody want to have my baby. I know this. But I just want the people to calm down. There's enough of me to go around one at a time. I don't go around multiple times. I have to be finished with one to go to another. But regardless of my exes that you saw, regardless of who you saw picking me up, regardless of where I took that picture, I just want the public to know, if they do not have one of these, they do not belong to me. So you have permission to take them. They don't belong to me. Okay? Great. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, huh? Go Sagittarius. Sagittarius, you will love the fuckery. You will act like you can't act like you don't like the fuckery. You love it. This is what you live for. This is what you watch every day. Sagittarius, you know, I'm take care of you. You know, come make me cook for you. Okay, never mind. The problem is, I don't want this bitch cooking for me. She might poison the fuck out of me. No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. Okay, what do you need to know, Sagittarius? The Ten of Swords. Yeah, even this bitch probably poison the fuck out of me. I don't want this bitch cooking for me. I wouldn't. The Ten of Swords. So I'm getting betrayal. Or I'm getting you feel embarrassed, Sagittarius. Why you feel embarrassed? Are you embarrassed of me? Are you embarrassed of me, Sagittarius? Are you embarrassed? Wait, I need to... Are you embarrassed of me, Sagittarius? You're embarrassed of me. Okay, fine. Why are you embarrassed of me? I love you. Just show me, introduce me to your friends. I'm getting you embarrassed. Sagittarius, you're embarrassed of somebody, or somebody embarrassed you. I don't think it's humiliation. I think it's embarrassment. So what you need to embrace, though. Or I'm getting you tired. You're tired. I'm getting something has been on your brain for the longest time and it feels mentally draining. First is a yes, and it's a no, then it's a yes, and it's a no, then it's a maybe. Like, what the do you want? I don't know what I want. The Eight of, yeah, I'm getting, okay. So first you were embarrassed, or I'm getting you felt betrayed. I'm getting now you're communicating. So I'm getting you're sending a message to somebody about what they did to you. Now, what you need to know is the Ten of Swords. Maybe you need to know a Sagittarius don't have your best interests at heart. Maybe you need to know you cannot trust this Sagittarius. Could be something. What you need to embrace communication. You have to talk to them. So it's either the Sagittarius isn't telling you what they did to you, you're not telling them what you did to them, but me guessing a conversation is going to be had. Something you did, something you said, upset, or really, it hit the Sagittarius hard. You have to talk about it, basically. What do you need to release? The Star card. I'm getting something online. Something you say. I don't know if you're an influencer. Maybe you post a picture. You post a picture. The Sagittarius find videos or pictures of you. I'm getting them a call and I ask you, is this you? It is me, sweetie. But you have to understand, I was being drugged and forced. And I was threatened that if I didn't do it, I'll be back on the street. But I didn't know the plan was for me to do it so that when I go back on the street, nobody else talk to me. So in a way, I was trafficked. That's why it was done. It wasn't really done because I wanted to. It was done because... Did I have a choice? I did. I won't say I don't have a choice. But at the time, my hands were tied. And it was tied with a trafficker and police. So I had to do what I had to do. But apparently, doing what I thought I had to do was a part of the plan. So that when I did it, that would be the last time I could ever get anybody on the side. So if you're asking if it's true, Sagittarius, it is true. No matter traffic me, him there drug me too. Cause my eyes, it starts go weird. My eyes, it start get weird. It is true. Sorry. I'm not going to lie to you. But it is true. It is me. And then when I'm done, I was back on the streets again. Sorry, Sagittarius. Maybe if it just came to me offline, I wouldn't have to admit this in front of the world. But that's what happens when you listen to the world. You're going to get the information via the world. Okay, great. What's next? What's next for you? Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know what else to say. I'm sorry, Sagittarius. It is me. I don't know what else you want me to say. Did you want me to beg you to save me? Did you want me to come to you and be like, Sagittarius, I'm in trouble, please help me? What the fuck you want me to do? What did you want me to do? And I'm sure, as you know, Sagittarius, that after the people was strict to doing what they needed to do, they were supposed to just die, right? And when they're supposed to dead, remember? They're supposed to dead? Remember, Sagittarius? You remembered, right? You were supposed to die. Because that was a part of the trick. We're going to get her, isolate her, turn her into a slut prostitute, so by the time she goes back out into the public won't believe her, and then if we want to kill her or do whatever we want to do, her image is already tainted with. And then people them do me, and I'm still here. I am still attending to Neil. I am still fucking here to this day. So... Also, Sagittarius, I should say, even though your heart is broken, fame is not for everybody, you hear? So if on top of the girl you did like, she famous, on top of that, yeah, if you can't deal with fame, if you don't know what fame come with, sweetie, you're just a little boy looking at a grown-ass woman, hoping that you'll marry her in the future. Because you gotta know, fame is a nasty place, it's a nasty ball field. There's no friends in this game, and your friends can turn your foes very easily. But I can say, Sagittarius, I never fucked their contract before. Anytime it was either I was taken advantage of or I was tricked. Either way, I never fucked their contract. Never. You know why I'm not on TV yet? You know why I'm not fucking working yet? Because I haven't the right man yet. That's the why. That's what you have. That's why you're there. Sagittarius, making you upset because you find out something about somebody. So yes, it's upsetting. You're going to ask them about it. That's what the fuck you should have done from day one. And then you're going to find out that, wow, this bitch is really a slut and I can't trust her again. Oh, the fuck well. Move on. Next. I'm just saying, Sagittarius, if you were in her position, what would you do? Ask yourself that. If you can answer that without stuttering and without calling your mother or father, then you tell me. Aries and PhD, yeah. And then when you found out what you found out about the person, you decapitate them, didn't you? Aries, the head PhD, yeah, you doctor friend them. You get a doctor friend them to decapitate somebody, to remove them head off of them body. When you found out what they were doing. The problem is you never know why them do what them do. They tell you so they didn't get traffic. Did they tell you that? Did they tell you that the victim was high on drugs? I'm not talking about cannabis. I'm not talking about drugs where I get tampered with. I'm talking about real drug. I'm not talking about a cannabis blood clot drug. Did they tell you that? They didn't tell you that. Oh, okay. Bet you, the story they told you was I was with the girl and she cheated on me. That's the story they tell you, though? No, sweetie, that wasn't the story. You a dumbass nigga for believing that story. I couldn't fuck with you anyways. Recording devices and the hangman. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.